welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to do hot dogs, but I'm going to do fajita hot dogs. And yes, you know, it could be peppers and onion dogs, it could be whatever, but I am going to put fajita seasoning on these hot dogs. I'm going to spare you all the dicing and chopping, so I'm using the red, the yellow, the green, and some onions. I've got 2 beef franks, nice size. And what I didn't do on my chicken fajitas, I made some cilantro lime crema with some sour cream, whipping cream, cilantro, lime, and I also sprinkled in some of my jalapeno salt so it has a little bit of a spice to it. This drizzled on top should be fantastic, so let's get it going. All right, my oil is starting to smoke. That means it's time to get our peppers on and our onions. Throw them all on there like that. I love that sizzle, right? And nicely coated with some of that olive oil. We're going to get our dogs on right here. Let those cook up. Get some fajita seasoning on our peppers. Okay, and just like before, we're going to put some steam on our peppers to help them get cooked. And we got our dogs going. I just like to let them sit and roll around. I did put slices in here. Nice and toasty. Check our peppers. We're doing good. Check those peppers. Oh, look at that. We're getting there. Okay, I'm going to go with one more steam on these. These wouldn't be fajita dogs if we didn't have any fajita seasoning on them, right? So we're going to put some seasoning on them. Roll them around a little bit. Alright, might steam these a little bit, just a little bit of water. Like that. Alright, those are looking good. So what now I'm going to do is move these over to the side. Okay, we have our fire off over here. We'll let these hot dogs keep cooking a little bit. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on that for a minute. Let's check them out. Okay, I'm going to say these dogs are done. We're going to slide these over here to this side. Okay, I'm going to get this cleaned off. Okay, now I'm going to get my buns down there. Got these buns. I've already got mayonnaise on them. Just going to lay those right there. They shouldn't take very long. This grill is pretty warm. About there. Look at that. We'll go for about 15 more seconds and we'll pull them. Okay. Pull those off. Look at that. Yeah. Take the hot dogs off. And get the peppers over here. Okay, how easy is that? There's my fajita hot dogs, but to top it off, We have some homemade guacamole. These are not Haas avocados that you normally would get in the store. These are from my mom's tree in Southern California. They're fuerte. They just have salt, pepper, garlic. That's all they need. They don't need tomatoes. They don't need jalapenos. They don't need anything special. Just mashed avocados. They're amazing. So with that, we're going to put these down here on the bun. Look at that. Is mouth watering yet? If you don't like guacamole, maybe not. But man, let me tell you, this guacamole is so delicious. Okay, we'll get a nice layer on there. All right. Now we're going to put our hot dog on there. Just like that. Okay. And then of course we're going to get our peppers and onions. Top of that. We don't want to be too shy with them, right? Okay. Move these to the side, the excess. Okay. Now I'm going to add some of my cilantro lime crema with a little bit of jalapeno. Well, that didn't quite work all fancy, did it? It's all right. It's all taste the same. All right. And there you go. My fajita hot dogs. Man, these are like gourmet hot dogs. They got the avocado, the peppers, the fajita seasoning, all beef franks. And hey, we gotta take a couple glamour shots of this. And we'll take a taste test for you. Hey, there's the plate. Look at that hot dog. I'd call that kind of like a gourmet hot dog right there. Now I got to see if I can take a bite of it. I know it's going to be messy, but I don't care. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see how it tastes. Oh my goodness. A fajita hot dog sounds kind of crazy, right? Man, that avocado in there, the peppers, the fajita spice. It is messy. Look at that thing. All right, man. Thanks for watching. You want a fancy hot dog? Make a fajita dog. So good. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video.